Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is this side Ravinder. Hope all you are doing great. So today's question is maximum triplet product. What does our question say? So given an array of size n, the task is to find the maximum triplet product in the array. So what we are given an array and we have to find which three elements of which three values of an array giving the maximum product n. So let's quickly understand the question. Basically. So like our first example is 1 2 3 5. Here our n value is 4 and it defines the size of our array. So our array is like this: 1 2 3 5. So basically if you see, we have to calculate the maximum triplet, means maximum product of three values. What does triplet says? Triplet says the product of the maximum three values. So if you see in this array there are three values. We will calculate maximum three values which are 5 3 2, and it will give us the maximum product. Okay, but this is also the case, or we can say brute force by calculating the three maximum element in an array, and we can return the product of the those values. So but there is a trick, like if we are given an array with negative values also, basically means if we are given negative values also, so it is like we are giving n is equal to 7 and our array is like -3 -5 0 8 1 2 -6. So if you see, if we take means three maximum value which are 8 1 2, when we multiply them, the maximum product will be 8 to the 16, right? But here there is a trick, like when we multiply minus with minus, it becomes plus. So we can take two minimum elements also, means two negative value also. So here the trick will be calculating two minimum value also, like calculating three maximum value. It can be like calculating max 1, max 2 and max 3. So it can be solution that we have calculated three maximum element, and their product is like 16, and it can be a maximum triplet product. But we have to check this case also, like multiply negative values or can also result in a maximum triplet. So if you take here the two minimum values are -6 and -5, and consider max element, because by multiplying two minimum element it will become plus, but if you multiply plus with minus, it will become minus. So we are going to take only two minimum elements, so it can be min 1 and min 2. So like as we say, our if we calculate maximum, so maximum one will be this one 8, max 2 will be 1, max 3 will be 2. Okay, and if we calculate min, so it will be min 2, it will be min 1. Okay, so what we are going to do here basically we are going to do one thing. So we are going to compare two products and going to return which is giving maximum value. What we are going to compare, we are just going to compare max 1 multiply by max 2 multiply by max 3, and we are going to compare this maximum into maximum 2 into maximum 3 with the minimum 1 max 1 multiply by minimum 1 multiply by minimum 2. As we can see, negative value can also give the maximum triplet output. As you see in this example, the maximum by multiplying three maximum elements, what we will get 16. And what we will get if we take maximum 1, means multiplying 8 with the two minimum, means -6 and -5, it should be -6 into -5 will be -6 into -5 into 8. So what does it will become? -6 into -5, it will become 30 basically. 30 into 8 will become 38, become 240. So if you see, by multiplying minimum 2, minimum 1 and maximum 1 is going to give us maximum triplet. So basically we are in every case we are going to compare two cases, like multiplying all the maximum value and multiplying min 1 min 2 and with the maximum value. So this is how we are going to do our question. So let's code this. So basically the concept of taking minimum min 1 and min 2 is basically like negative values also can give in a product which is greater than maximum multiplied by maximum. So that's why, and we are not taking three minimum values because it will it will lead to the result into minus. So minus cannot be a maximum value, so we are taking only two minimum values, and by multiplying it by maximum one. Maximum one is the largest value in the array. Maximum two is the largest second value in the array. Maximum three is the largest third element in the array. So basically, and whether it is given in a medium type of question, but it is an easy type of question. So we start doing it. Long maximum one equal to integer dot min value, and declare maximum two. It should be integer dot min integer dot min value, and declare maximum three as integer dot min value. We have declared our maximum 1, maximum 2 and maximum 3 as the minimum value as it can be. So we are going to take store the maximum value in these elements, and now declaring our minimum 1 and 2. Minimum 1 will be storing the maximum value can integer dot max value, and min 2 integer dot max value. Now we will start traversing our array. So int I, okay, with I, we will use for each loop because it will be good for array. So we will check if I is greater than maximum 1, means it is the greatest element, means it is the largest element. Then we will put in maximum 3 we will store maximum 2, maximum 2 will store maximum 1. So basically we will shift the values from maximum 1 to maximum 3 and store the latest value in the maximum 1, I, basically. And we will check if the I is less than maximum 1 but is greater than maximum 2. So we will update our maximum 2. So what we will do, we will put in maximum, we will change first maximum 3 value by maximum 2, and we will change max 2 by max 1. No, max 2 equal to I. Okay, and we will check if I is greater than, the current value is greater than, is less than max 1 and max 2, but is greater than max 3. Then we will change our max 3 value. Now it will be max 3 value will be storing I. So basically these three LCFs are for calculating three maximum. Maximum will store the basically the largest element, and maximum will store the second largest, and maximum will store the third largest. So now we will calculate min if I, basically. So now we will calculate our minimum 1 and minimum 2 for the array. So we will check if I is greater than I is less than minimum 1. So we will shift our values. In minimum 2 we will put our minimum 1, and in minimum 1 we will put our I. And here also we will check if our I is greater than, if I is less than, if I is less than minimum 2 but greater than minimum 1. It is for minimum second largest element, minimum 2. So we will update our minimum value. We will put here minimum 2 equal to I, and at last we will check the product of, and we will return math dot max, which will give the maximum product as I told you, maximum into maximum 2 into maximum 3, and compared with maximum 1 into minimum 1 into minimum 2, which will be maximum 1 multiplied by maximum 2 multiplied by maximum 3, comma maximum 1 multiplied by minimum 1 multiplied by minimum 2. So here it will do the code. Let's quick compile and run. So okay, it should be long. It cannot be reverted to. Yeah, it is giving correct output. Let's quickly submit it. So it worked fine. basically. And as we are doing in log of ON, its time complexity is going to be of 9, and we are not using any auxiliary space, so it will be of 1. So it is the optimal approach, like calculating maximum 1, maximum 3, and minimum 2. So for minimum 1 and minimum 2, we are going to consider negative values also, because it can also give the maximum outputs. And by comparing all maximum 1 into maximum 2 into maximum 3, and maximum 1 into minimum 1 into 2. Basically, this is the approach, and this is a medium type of question, but it is an easy type because its accuracy is 71%. So basically, thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe and have a nice day.